All right, I get a lot of questions about how long it's going to take to feel better. And so I just want to kind of walk you through a couple things as far as that goes. The reality is, some people feel better super fast, some people takes a little bit of time. And ultimately, you heal you, so I can't necessarily give you a real specific, date, time, Wednesday morning, you'll feel fantastic sort of prognosis with this. I'll tell you, about 50% of the people that we start taking care of feel better like super fast. But at the end of the day, remember a couple things here. So healing is a given. If you are alive, your body is trying desperately to heal and repair and keep itself in as good a shape as possible. If you scratch your arm right now, it's going to go away. So you're not broken. It's still working in there. The question is, one, are we giving it the time necessary to do the job? Two, are we supporting it in doing the job? And then three, are we alleviating anything that may be interfering with the body doing the job? And by the job, I mean the healing and repair. So you feel better, you get better inside and out. A couple other things to consider, a lot of times people are so programmed to think of healing as something that happens when you like take a pill and within 4 to 6 hours everything feels great. Understand that's not real healing. And so for a lot of people, they don't really know what real healing is. And I'll tell you this, usually real healing doesn't happen in 4 to 6 hours. Usually it takes a bit more time than that, especially if you've got an old problem. So, most people have not had healthy lives for the majority of their lives. And when we kind of get back on the horse and try and start to turn things around, it's reasonable to expect that this would be a fairly lengthy process, especially, somebody shows up, they're 50 years old and they've got problems that started when they were 20. These are 30-year-old issues. So I would say if it resolved entirely and within 3 years, that's a tenth of the time, and that's pretty dang fast. But again, it's real hard to say personally because I don't get to wave my magic wand and heal you. You have to heal you, but everybody's a bit different. The important thing is support the body in doing the job, healing itself. Make sure nothing's interfering, and then be patient and give it the time. I think pretty much that about covers it, but if you are necessarily worried about, say, like tolerating the situation as your body heals, that's totally understandable. And that's usually when a lot of people are going to be reaching for a medication or a pharmaceutical of some sort. The reality is there's some much better options out there, natural things that are maybe going to help bridge that gap for you without any side effects, without destroying the kidneys or the liver. And in fact, many things that are just as potent, if not more potent than those pharmaceuticals. So if that's your concern, then please let us know and we can kind of point you in the right direction on that. But as far as the healing goes, just keep that in mind. And I can tell you this, that I've considered your situation, the amount of pain or discomfort that you're in my recommendations to make sure that things are happening as fast as possible, just to make sure that you're keeping on track with everything that we've programmed in for you. And we can update things as we go. Again, if you have any other questions or anything, let us know. But that kind of covers the topic of when am I going to feel better and how long does it take to heal. And we'll see you next time.